Hello everyone. In this video, we will learn how to download and install Google Chrome in Windows. So, Google Chrome, it is a web browser that was developed by Google. To learn in more details about the Google Chrome, you can come back here later. So, this is how we are going to implement this video. Now, let's get started. So now I'm going to open my Microsoft Edge. Now I have to search for the Google Chrome. So if I click on the google.com/Chrome. Now all you have to do is just click on the download Chrome. Now it says your download will begin automatically. So see, it's not, so you can just click here to download Chrome manually. And if you click over here, now the download has started and the download is complete. Now we will install the Chrome. So now what we are going to do is we will open our file explorer. Now we will go on the downloads, then we will select the Chrome setup. Now click on yes. So now the Chrome is getting installed. Now it is downloading. So now it's saying 3 seconds remaining. Okay, so now it's saying download completed. Okay, so now my Google Chrome has been installed. So here is my Google Chrome. Now let's have a look at the summary. So in this video, we have covered how to download and install Google Chrome in Windows. Thank you for watching.